The landscape of handheld gaming is undergoing a dramatic transformation as technology pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a portable form factor. Over the years, gamers have longed for a machine that could offer console-grade power, ergonomic comfort, and seamless connectivity, wrapped in a sleek, mobile-friendly shell. Enter the highly anticipated second generation of the ROG Ally, a device that might just redefine what portable gaming stands for in 2025 and beyond. Reinventing mobility in gaming handheld consoles have come a long way from the days of pixelated screens and cartridge slots. Today's portable devices aim to provide fluid gameplay, hyper-realistic graphics, and multi-platform connectivity, all while fitting in a backpack. Recognizing this trend, Asus has thrown its hat deeper into the ring with a sequel to its well-received ROG Ally. But make no mistake, this is more than just a mild refresh. It's a full-blown reimagining, designed to appeal to two distinct groups of gamers through two different models. The ROG Ally 2 isn't simply chasing trends, it's setting new ones. A dual-model strategy, two roads, one destination, Asus is preparing to launch two variations of the ROG Ally 2, each tailored to different preferences and playstyles. This strategic decision could broaden the device's appeal while fostering deeper user engagement across multiple platforms. The white variant channels the spirit of the original ROG Ally, focusing on the DIY ethos of PC gamers. It's minimalist, stylish, and built for those who love tweaking performance settings or optimizing their hardware to suit their individual needs. On the other side is the Black Edition, a bold entry designed to closely align with the Xbox ecosystem. It's not just aesthetically different. It signals a new frontier in partnership between hardware manufacturers and content ecosystems. This dual-model strategy may prove to be a masterstroke, offering options without compromising on the brand's core values. The Xbox Edition. More than a coat of paint. While the white model caters to customization purists, the black model, rumored to be developed with direct input from Xbox and Microsoft, is turning heads for more profound reasons. It's a device that might serve as Microsoft's stealthy expansion into the handheld realm, without the need for its own hardware. Reports suggest the Xbox-themed edition will feature a dedicated Xbox button, classic ABXY buttons in their traditional Xbox colors, tight integration with Xbox Game Pass, xCloud streaming, and Xbox Live for Xbox fans and Game Pass subscribers. This could be the ultimate handheld solution. Imagine booting up your device and jumping right into your Game Pass library, picking up your last cloud save with zero fuss. No additional login steps, no setup delays, just instant, streamlined access to your games. This type of deep-rooted integration suggests Microsoft and Asus are betting on a future where hardware boundaries blur and the ecosystem becomes king. Addressing ergonomic flaws of the past, one of the few criticisms levied against the original ROG Ally was its ergonomics. While powerful, the first version wasn't always comfortable during extended gameplay. Asus seems to have taken this feedback seriously. Both new models now feature more sculpted grips, reminiscent of console controllers. The white version, in particular, has redesigned handles meant to reduce hand fatigue and improve overall balance, even during marathon gaming sessions. Meanwhile, the black version embraces a slightly bulkier but more refined build. The extra heft is likely intentional, a trade-off to house higher-end components while maintaining a center of gravity that feels natural in the hand. In short, Asus has gone back to the drawing board to rework the physicality of gaming on the go. They're not just adding raw power, they're crafting a more human-centered experience. Display evolution, a feast for the eyes. While the display remains at 7 inches, it's anything but stagnant. Asus has reportedly boosted the refresh rate to a blazing 120 Hz, promising smoother animations, faster inputs, and improved responsiveness, especially in genres like racing, shooters, and fighting games, where milliseconds matter. Though we're still waiting on confirmed specs regarding resolution and brightness, industry insiders hint at higher nights for outdoor visibility and a panel that may rival OLED-like contrast levels without draining the battery as fast. This would be a welcome upgrade, given how important display quality is for immersive gameplay on small screens. The performance divide. Extreme power versus balanced efficiency. Perhaps the most significant divergence between the two models lies beneath the hood. The Black Edition, built to dominate. This variant reportedly features the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme, a custom-built 8-core chip tailored for high-end portable performance. Accompanied by a staggering 64GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at blistering speeds, this device is poised to rival entry-level gaming desktops. Such specs suggest multitasking prowess rarely seen in handheld devices. You could feasibly stream a game, download updates in the background, run a Discord overlay, and still maintain smooth gameplay without lag. For serious gamers, developers on the go, or streamers looking for a versatile portable solution, the Black Edition might check every box. The White Edition, pragmatism with punch and contrast. The white model is built around the AMD Earth Plus chip, a less intense quad-core processor that still holds its own. It's aimed at gamers who don't need every graphical bell and whistle, but still want solid performance. With RAM configurations ranging between 16GB and 32GB, it offers more than enough horsepower for indie games, emulators, streaming, or older A titles. This creates a unique value proposition. Instead of being forced into a one-size-fits-all device, users can pick their path, premium performance or practical power, without straying from the brand's ecosystem. Windows 11 and beyond. Software as the silent hero. Both versions are expected to ship with Windows 11, ensuring compatibility with a vast library of games and apps. But Asus isn't stopping at operating system support. Its proprietary Armory Crate software will likely return in an enhanced form, allowing users to adjust performance profiles, access their game libraries, map custom controls, assign shortcuts, using programmable buttons, like the new mystery button on the white model. Such customization speaks directly to the needs of power users, while the streamlined Xbox model offers a more plug-and-play experience for console gamers. Release window and market timing insiders suggest the ROG Ally 2 may be unveiled during a major summer gaming event, potentially aligned with Microsoft's own showcases. The device has already passed several certification hurdles, indicating it's inching closer to mass production. Launching during the summer also positions Asus to ride the pre-holiday marketing wave, making the ROG Ally 2 a centerpiece of tech. Wish lists around the world. Competitors in the arena. No discussion about handheld gaming would be complete without mentioning the Valve Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch, both giants in their own right. The Steam Deck is beloved for its Linux-based flexibility and PC gaming chops, but lacks formal integration with major platforms like Xbox. The Switch excels with Nintendo's first-party exclusives and hybrid form factor, yet its hardware is aging and far less powerful than its competitors. Where Asus might find its sweet spot is in bridging those gaps, combining the power and customization of the Steam Deck with the accessibility and ecosystem cohesion of Xbox. If they execute correctly, they could carve out a unique identity that appeals to a broader audience. Challenges on the horizon. However, this ambitious approach isn't without risks. Some of the key challenges Asus will need to address include battery life. Powerful internals are known for being energy-hungry. Balancing performance with longevity will be a critical engineering hurdle. Thermal management. Keeping temperatures in check without noisy fans or heat discomfort is crucial, especially in longer sessions. Software polish, Windows on handhelds, has historically had its quirks. Asus must ensure a smooth experience free from lag, bloatware, or instability. Price points. The hardware inside these devices suggests a premium cost. If Asus prices itself too high, it may struggle against more budget-conscious alternatives. The future of gaming in your hands. Despite these obstacles, there's an undeniable buzz surrounding the ROG Ally 2. It represents not just an incremental upgrade, but a philosophical shift, a signal that handheld gaming is no longer a niche secondary market. It's mainstream, it's competitive, and it's evolving fast. What makes the ROG Ally 2 especially compelling is its dual identity. For power users and enthusiasts, a machine that doesn't compromise on specs. For casual gamers or Xbox fans, a device that feels instantly familiar, like a console you can carry in your pocket. This duality is rare, and if Asus plays its cards right, the ROG Ally 2 might become a landmark product in the same way the Switch defined hybrid gaming.